welcome to Easy Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make the stitch repeat for the Finley blanket. To begin, you have to use a starting chain of any even number. I'm using Heartland yarn from Lion Brand, and the colorway is Grand Canyon, and I'm going to use a 5mm crochet hook. Starting in the second chain from the hook, right here, you're going to single crochet. Single crochet, and you're going to single crochet in every chain across. There we have our starting chain and our base of our Finley blanket with the single crochet base. To begin our row 2, we're going to chain 1 and then turn our work, and then we're going to do a half double crochet in the first stitch right here. Not the chain 1, but the first stitch. So I'm going to yarn over and then half double crochet into this first stitch. Next, in the next stitch, I'm going to single crochet, half double crochet in the next stitch. I'm going to repeat this the whole way across. Single crochet next, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and this last stitch right here, half double crochet. That's row 2. Let's go to the next row. So chain 1 and turn your work. And that's where you can see the texture starting to form that you'll see throughout this blanket when it's in a bigger size. Now for the next row, you're just going to chain 1 like we just did, and you're going to single crochet in every stitch across. So just single crochet. And then the last stitch, single crochet. Now for the rest of the blanket, you're just going to be repeating row 2 and row 3. So the row of the half double crochet, single crochet, and then a row of single crochets. So let's go on to row 4. Chain 1, turn, and this first stitch, going to half double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single, half, single, and this last stitch, you do a half double crochet. And I'm just going to turn the work so you can see the texture that's forming. It's that easy.